fishing boat moves across still water. Sea looks calm, almost inviting. Minutes pass, then hours. The boat never returns. No distress call, no wreckage. Far away, another vessel vanishes. Different crew, same silence. Random accidents, or a pattern we do not fully understand. Why do so many strange stories point to one region near Japan? But this is only where the story begins. The Dragon Triangle lies in the Pacific Ocean near Japan. It stretches between Japan, Taiwan, and the Mariana Islands. Many compare it to the Bermuda Triangle. Others strangely disagree with that label. The region became famous for alleged disappearances, ships, aircraft, fishing boats. But fame doesn't always mean danger. Reputation can shape perception. So why do people still debate this area? What keeps the mystery alive? And that's where curiosity starts to build. Serious attention grew after World War II. Japan's maritime activity increases rapidly. Shipping routes became crowded, so did incident reports. During the 1950s, several vessels reportedly vanished. Not constantly, but often enough to worry authorities. Then came a case that changed everything. A research ship named Kayo Maru No. 5. It disappeared in 1952, along with everyone on board. This was not a commercial vessel. This was a government-backed scientific mission. Suddenly the story felt different, more serious, more unsettling. And that's where the mystery deepened dramatically. The Kayo Maru No. 5 had a clear objective. It was studying underwater volcanic activity. Then contact stopped completely. No warning, no explanation. Search efforts followed. Questions multiplied faster than answers. Was it a mechanical failure, a natural disaster, something else? Speculation quickly filled the silence. Media coverage intensified the public fear. Soon, the Dragon Triangle gained a reputation, not just as a location but as a mystery. But was the danger real, or was perception overtaking evidence? What researchers examined next changed the entire discussion. Some believe unusual energies operate in this region, forces beyond current scientific understanding. Such ideas attract attention easily, but measurable evidence remains absent. No instrument has confirmed anything extraordinary. No experiment validates the claim. Yet the theory persists. Mystery naturally feeds imagination, but imagination alone cannot explain disappearances. So, investigators looked elsewhere for answers. Another claim involves extraterrestrial presence, unknown crafts, hidden underwater bases. These ideas gained popularity through books and television. They sounded bold and intriguing. However, verified proof never emerged. No physical data supports the narrative. Without evidence, the story remains speculative, interesting, but scientifically weak, which leads us to more grounded possibilities. The region sits on a Pacific ring of fire. This zone is intensely active geologically. Underwater volcanoes are common here. Many remain invisible from the surface. Eruptions can occur suddenly. They can violently disturb surrounding water. Gas release becomes a serious factor. Methane reduces water density. Lower density affects buoyancy. Ships may lose stability quickly. This explanation relies on physics, not mythology. But does it explain every reported case? And that question keeps the debate alive. Some reports describe navigation problems, compasses behaving unpredictably, magnetic variation exists across the planet. They are not usual as themselves. Modern systems use layered technologies, GPS, satellites, inertial navigation. Extreme anomalies lack consistent confirmation here, at least in credible data sets. Still, older equipment could be vulnerable. Even minor deviations may confuse crews. And confusion at sea has consequences. But environmental factors add another dimension entirely. The Pacific near Japan produces severe storms. Typhoons are powerful and frequent. Conditions change rapidly. Calm seas can turn hostile within hours. Strong currents complicate navigation. Wave behavior becomes chaotic. Earlier decades lacked advanced forecasting tools. Warning systems were limited. A vessel caught off guard faced extreme risk. No mystery required, only nature. But how much of the land reflects reality? Expert analysis offers a critical perspective. Scientists study the region without sensationalism. Their approach remains methodical and cautious. They examine geological activity first, then ocean behavior, then weather systems. The area is undeniably active. Earthquakes and volcanoes are frequent. Such conditions elevate maritime hazards. But hazards does not equal mystery. Statistical studies provide useful context. Traffic density plays a major role. Many ships cross this region regularly. Incidents appear concentrated due to attention bias. In simple terms, perception magnifies patterns. Data often tells a calmer story. Yet public fascination rarely fades easily. Media narratives favor dramatic interpretations. Complexity often gets simplified. Some disappearances stories lack verified documentation. Details evolve through repeated retelling. Human memory reshapes events over time. Striking elements survive longest. Researchers note ordinary explanations in many cases. Storm damage, equipment failure, human error. But reputation influences interpretation strongly. Every new incident reinforces existing beliefs, and myths gain strength through repetition, which raises an important final question. What explains the Dragon Triangle most convincingly? Not supernatural forces, not extraterrestrial involvement, but interacting natural factors, geology, weather, operational risk. The ocean remains unpredictable by nature. Certain regions intensify those challenges. This area appears demanding, not mystical, dangerous at times, yet understandable. Mysteries often reflects incomplete knowledge. Science gradually reduces that uncertainty. Still curiosity endures, and perhaps that is the real story. The Dragon Triangle teaches a subtle lesson. Unknown doesn't always mean inexplicable. Sometimes nature simply operates beyond casual observation. Understanding requires patience and evidence. The ocean keeps many secrets, but not all secrets defy explanation. The real mystery may not be the sea itself, but our endless desire to search for meaning within it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, consider subscribing. Thank you.